create the reward. Go to the Reward section of the admin dashboard and click Create Reward. Select the reward type you want to create and click Continue. Every reward type shares a set of common fields. It's the image. You have to upload an image of something that represents the reward. Just pay attention to the size and dimensions of the image recommended in the instruction. The reward name. This is what users will see in the widget, so make it instantly understandable. The reward description, which tells users in more details what they're getting and how to use it. And the amount of loyalty points that are needed to get this particular reward. You also have optional targeting fields. In this example, it's segments. Segments restrict the reward to specific user groups. For example, your new users. This requires API, so you can only use it if your system is integrated with the Enable3 platform.